In today's video, I'll teach you how to pay Costco credit card bills online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you have the Costco Anywhere Visa card and if you would like to pay the bill, what you can do is simply log in to your Citi account. Through your Citi account, you'll be able to manage your Costco Anywhere Visa card. So what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in citi.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Citi. From here you'll be able to manage your credit cards. All you have to do is log into your account. In order to do that, enter your user ID and password over here. Click on the field of user ID and enter the user ID. Make sure to enter the correct user ID. Likewise, enter your password. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option, forget user ID or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign on, that you can see on the screen, or instead of that you can also do the passwordless sign on. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, passwordless sign on, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to do the scan and you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you're enrolled with the Face ID, Touch ID, biometrics or 6-digit PIN, you'll be able to sign on using the QR code. After you do that, you'll be signed in to your account. Now after you signed into your account, you'll be able to manage your credit cards. You'll also be able to manage the Costco Anywhere Visa credit card. What you have to do is simply find that particular credit card and you'll be able to find the option for paying the bills. Follow through the prompts and you'll be able to pay the bills. Make sure to provide your details and also make sure to add the payment method. Use that payment method in order to pay your bills. Complete the transaction and your bills will be paid. So that is how you pay your Costco credit card bills. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.